guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a vlog of cosmetic procedures. I'm so excited because this is something that I feel like influencers don't really like to share. I'm showing you how I get filler, Botox, how I get my teeth done. Stay tuned because they are looking pretty mighty fan. And also how I get my skin together. It's not necessarily a skincare video. It's just like the procedures that I get along the way. I'm sure you guys want to know. This is a part of my self-care journey and what I've been doing. And now that I'm kind of getting up and out into the world, I just want to look good, but also feel good. So with that being said, enjoy this vlog. There is no shame in the game of getting work done. So own who you are, be proud of who you are, and let's not shame because we're just trying to spread love and positivity. So without further ado, enjoy this vlog and don't forget to subscribe, and remember, makeup isn't one size fits all. Mwah. All right, guys, this is Ideal Face and Body, and I filled out some forms. This is what the clinic looks like, and Dr. Jason is her husband and is a plastic surgeon, and Dr. Sarah Jovino, who you'll meet, is the one doing my fillers and Botox. This is Dr. Sarah Jovino. Yeah, I wanted to
so we're talking about what you're interested in.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, so I wanted to maybe touch this up and then temple here and then the nose, maybe the nose if you think.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a mirror and I wanna give you a white pen because you see your face more than anybody. Okay. So I wanna see what you're looking at and versus what I see, and we'll go from there.
So I'll do my eyebrows like here. I'll make them longer, but then from the front they like sink down, you know, because it's indented there. I just want to touch up, and then this here. And then obviously the nose,
nose seems like kind of last time.
Yeah, just projection.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a little bit of numbing cream on you as well.
Okay. All right, this is again Dr. Sarah Jovino, and I feel like going to a very experienced professional is key. Obviously, I've found out about Dr. Sarah Jovino through personal references, and she's very precise and very good at listening to what the client wants, aka me. Right here, she's filling in the temples, and no, it doesn't hurt because the needles that she uses are so tiny. And also, what she did right there was poke an entry site, and what she's doing for my under eyes is going in with a blunt needle, which is called a cannula. Now, this is the nose. Again, you can see the needle is very tiny, and you have to be careful because there is something called necrosis, and the nose area is very vascular. So the last thing you want to do is inject filler into a vein, and it just block, the blood and the flow in that area. Right here, she's putting in Botox under the jaw just to get that jaw clenching tension out my jaw. And that's pretty much it for the touch up, filler, Botox, and all. All right, guys, so next I am gonna go to laser hair removal. I got my Starbucks. This looks so freaking nasty, but this is a cold brew with sugar-free vanilla and some almond milk. Gotta mix it up more, but love the face. I feel just more awake. I feel like it looks very natural, very fresh, and I'm gonna go and get my laser hair because this hair is just aggressive. So enjoy laser hair at CRMC. This right here is CRMC Aesthetics, and it's owned by Dr. Zara. This is where I get my laser hair removal. They offer injectables, cryotherapy, a whole bunch of things here, which I've gotten done too. But, there's certain things for certain places and people that are just a personal preference to me. No shade to anybody. But this is where I love getting laser hair removal. This is my technician, Arissa. She's lovely and she's very thorough and very fast. But for me, I feel like my stubble plus my acne prone skin really is a combination for just bumps and lumps and everything. So this really helps me, especially around wearing the mask. But yeah, that's that. Ooh, the lighting is good. Guys, if you are wanting to get these procedures and things, stay out of the sun, wear a visor, wear a hat, wear sunscreen. Like, I'm starting to take care of myself now. I'm in my 30s. I hate to admit that, but yeah, I just wanted to share this kind of journey with you just to see how I maintain and just as kind of like self-care. I know not everyone wants to get Botox and filler, but I feel like the point of this video is for you to do something for yourself that makes you feel good. And I want to start off the year with self-care and things that I love to just help me and benefit me and make me feel pretty and at my best. So I got my Starbucks. I have to jump into a one-size meeting literally after this. Tuesdays are just crazy one-size days, but there's a Starbucks here and there's also a motherfucking Subway here, okay? So I'm gonna get my Subway and yeah. Alright guys, we are continuing the cosmetic procedures vlog, and if you guys have not, ooh, this is bright. If you guys didn't already catch it on my social media and my other videos for the past couple of months, wow, that is bright. We need to adjust this lighting. Being a vlogger is fucking hard. Hold on. What did you say?
The old Addison
The
Rae.
older dentist version of Addison Rae.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so let me adjust my camera. I think I'm okay. Alright guys, so I'm here at the dentist continuing the cosmetic procedures vlog. I am here
Hello.
with not Addison Rae. We did a TikTok like a few months ago.
We did.
And when you extracted my wisdom teeth, right?
Yes.
And everyone was like, oh my god, that's Addison Rae as a dentist.
But one person said I'm the old Addison Rae.
No.
And I had to cry myself to sleep that night.
What other influencers have you done?
I mean, so many of you.
Yeah, she's in, check out her Instagram, Le Chic
Thank
Dentist.
you.
Also, your man's also a dentist too.
Yes, he
so
is.
you have this facility here, and I decided to get Invisalign because my teeth were just shifting, and I was like, let me call my friend to do Invisalign. And this is like part of cosmetic. It's not filler or injectables, but I wanted to include this in the cosmetic vlog because this is cosmetic.
It is, but also preventive, because another thing that you were doing, if it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you're grinding because your teeth were not aligned, and when teeth are not aligned, we we start grinding our teeth away, and the enamel starts getting weaker and weaker, and you even popped a tooth in the back. So if you remember,
I did.
and that's when we realized, okay, so we gotta address the bite, open it up. You do get all the cosmetic benefit of.
To me, I thought it was just cosmetic, but she's giving the real.
And it also, once teeth are aligned, you're able to clean them better. Your gums look much more healthier from where we started, because when our teeth are not aligned, we start having gingivitis, which is inflammation of the gums. And by having alignment, it's so much easier to brush and floss and have healthier foundation. So it's not just looking good, it's feeling good, and it's about tightening and alignment. And you're doing a fantastic job wearing it. I'm so proud of you.
You assigned me 17 trays.
17 trays, yes.
That can always change depending on how the body moves.
You're wearing it
so
well,
and
you're doing the work. So when the patient does the work, usually we get amazing results. We sometimes have to do a quick refinement at the end, but I feel like your case is going to be very successful because of all the hard work you're putting into it. I'm really proud of you.
Yes. Let me show what it looks like. And she can explain, because this is like my better side of my face. This side is always crooked and it's a little smaller. Like only she and I can tell, because you guys are like, you don't need it. But I feel like I just want to share with you, and it's
we could go over your bite and show, and this could help others to see if they need to correct their bites, because a lot of us don't know why things are happening, or like, why am I having pain here?
Perfect. So let's show you the before, and then hopefully I'll have an after in a few vlogs.
Okay.
All right, guys, this is my before, right?
This is your before, so I'm gonna tilt it. All the upper teeth are supposed to be out and the bottom teeth are supposed to be in. When the teeth are not touching in the correct position, over time you start grinding and clenching more.
So this was
right
like further back, and then I wanted them to be straight, and then the gums were a little bit lower
because of that
too. Yeah, because of that.
So here we're gonna watch what's gonna help me get it in a better position, so you can watch where it's going.
Ooh, it's not bad. It's just more like a mild. What'd you say? Oh, okay. Oh, there.
There. And now it's like a perfect C shape. Look at the bottom together. This is where
So this is my teeth before.
And this is also what's causing you to retain a lot of plaque in this area.
I had a lot of plaque right here.
Right there, yeah.
They was doing the thriller teeth
And this
down
is the tooth
here.
that would pop out because of the clenching right there.
Okay. That was removed?
No, we replaced the crown.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. So my goal was to get these straightened, so she filed in between each of these so there's room for the teeth to kind of like shift back together because they were a little bit too tight.
You're gonna see a big shift in your smile. So when you smile, you're gonna show a much wider smile, and that's because look at what's happening as we're going forward with the case.
Oh, cool. Yeah, this is the after because right now my teeth are sitting like right on top of each other. Now the ideal bite is to have the top be a little bit
over the bottom. Yes, because whenever you're chewing, you're hitting this tooth and you're not supposed to.
Perfect. So I want her to take a look at my teeth to see if we're on progress. Is that okay?
Let's go, yeah. Okay. Let's do it.
I just wished to 8 today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Perfect. So everything is definitely moving forward great. We on our checkup we check to make sure the aligner is all the way seated on the tooth and there is no space. When we start seeing spaces, that's when we know the patient is not compliant
from the tooth and the tray. Okay.
Where we could tell you're doing a fantastic job wearing it. Amazing. It looks really good. Bite down. Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
These are moving forward and these are on their way going in.
Okay.
Doing fantastic.
Yeah, so that's what we're working on. My teeth are not, like, to me weren't like bad, but I think the older I got, the more crooked.
Well, as we age and our body is constantly shifting, so as our body shifts, so do our teeth. And over time, through clenching and grinding, our and we lose a little bit of bone density annually, and that causes our lower, especially, to start shifting in our late 20s. How old are you now? Should we say?
I'm 32. I'm getting
so you
older.
were, like, right on that cusp.
Yeah, I think like for the 20s it was fine.
Yeah.
But I think the every
around
decade,
27, 28,
it starts changing.
Yes, and it changes.
Yeah.
We're constantly changing. So that's probably why in your 20s you weren't noticing it, or it wasn't as noticeable as it is now.
And we are using Invisalign because
we're using Invisalign,
other stuff on the market, but we're using Invisalign.
I absolutely love Invisalign.
You guys have probably seen among influencers and the influencer life, it's always veneers. But she was like, I think you can do Invisalign.
Yes, I'm a big fan of being super conservative, and if you have a beautiful smile, there's so many ways to enhance it.
And also, if you are an influencer and you want to get into like teeth campaigns or toothpaste or anything sponsored, they won't sponsor you if you have fake teeth.
Veneers.
Yeah.
Well,
so I partnered with Crest before because all my teeth are real. So
they are.
Yeah. So yes. So be sure to check out the Chic Dentist on Instagram, and then hopefully you guys can see my updated smile. Hopefully
can't wait. You're almost
in a few
there.
months.
You're halfway there.
I'm halfway there. Yeah, I'm excited. Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Alright guys, that is pretty much the end of the vlog, and as I said, like, self-care I feel is like the best care. I don't know if you could tell, but I feel like my face is like a little bit more trim right here. Oh, and also it's been a few weeks because my nails have changed since doing that vlog. I just haven't gotten around to finishing and editing the vlog. There's so much has been going on. But yeah, new nails, missing nails, slimmer face. I did a water fast. I only drink water for 3 days. It was approved by a medical professional, so I feel like I kind of like trimmed up a little bit. I did lose a few pounds, but you know, I'm just trying to get healthier this year for my mental state, my physical state, my emotional state, and I feel like it's just about just being the best version of you. Whatever works for you, and just take it day by day. Do I have a booger? No, it's here. Yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, vlogs with me, let me know down in the comments below. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!